you ever thought to yourself, hey, it would be nice if I didn't have to go into an office. It'd be nice if I didn't have to have a boss. It'd be nice if I could just get a laptop and make money wherever I want. Like from a pool, or from an ocean, or a balcony, or your home office, or a coffee shop, or your friend's house, or your kid's house, or your parents' house, wherever you want. That'd be pretty great, wouldn't it? Well, here's how you do that. The skill you need to learn in order to do that is writing. Because guess what? There's a lot of different ways you can make money writing on the internet. So that's what we're talking about today. We're talking about 5 ways you can make money writing on the internet. And guess what? You can probably start doing it a lot faster than you think. You can start actually getting money in your bank account faster than you think. So rather than continue rambling here, let's just let's get into it. Let's jump into those 5 reasons and do this thing. Ready? All right, cool. Let's go. All right, the first 2, if you have been on this channel before, they are going to come as no surprise for you, but I keep harping on it because it's the easiest way to do it. It's the easiest way to get going, and it's so valuable. So the first reason is freelance content writing. There are so many people and blogs and businesses out there that need content. Think about it. Think about all of the content that's being consumed. Think about all of the people that are trying to get search traffic through their blog posts, through their content. A lot of them don't have time to do it themselves. So they would rather hire someone like you to do it for them. And if you know how to find those clients, and if you know how to get that work, you can essentially create an unlimited amount of work for yourself where you can do exactly what we just talked about. You can work from anywhere, you work from your laptop, you work from a pool, you work from your ocean, work from a parent's house, whatever you want to do. Freelance content writing is the way to go. And the reason I love this is because it's a skill most of us have. Most of us know how to write on some level or another. And whether you're a good writer or you're a bad writer, it doesn't really matter because there's different types of freelance content writing that are going to fit for you. The process for finding work is also super simple. It is not difficult. Don't get me wrong. It can be difficult to stick with it because it's not sexy, it's not fun. It might take you a little while to get some of those first wins and build some momentum, but if you can get through that first stage, then there is a ton of opportunity out there. So I'm not gonna go into how to do it. We've got plenty of other videos, an entire course and community on how to do that. But if you're trying to figure out what's the best way to get started with an online business, but you don't need technical skills, it's probably freelance content writing. Okay, and the second thing, again, probably not gonna come as a surprise for you because this is something I talk about a lot. Second best way to make money with your words on the internet is copywriting. Copywriting is any time you're trying to be persuasive with your words. So if you're reading a Facebook ad, that was copywriting. If you're reading a sales page, copywriting. If you're reading a product description on a website, copywriting. If you're reading someone's about page, copywriting. If you are on a landing page and someone's trying to get you to sign up for their newsletter, copywriting. So you've probably heard me say or heard other people say that copywriting is the most lucrative form of freelance writing out there. And that's because it's true, because that's the writing that is closest to the money. And people are willing to pay more for things that are going to make them money. So if you get really good at copywriting and you can write a sales page that converts really well on a high priced product, guess what? The person that hired you to write that, they're gonna pay you a lot of money because it's making them money. But here's the kicker. I've got a video. It's why 95% of people that are going to start freelance copywriting will fail. I'll link to that below, but you should go watch that if you are serious about copywriting because it's not easy. You have to have some sales background, you have to be able to be persuasive, and you have to be a really good writer, and you have to understand your audience. So if you're not willing to take the time to understand that audience and to be persuasive and to figure out what they want and what they need and then provide it to them through your sparkling copy, then it's probably not gonna be a good fit for you. I don't recommend this for beginners. I think most people should start with content writing and then move into copywriting as they build some of those skills and momentum in that client base. But if you can get there, it is an excellent way to make a full-time, very lucrative freelance living. Or even better, if you get good at copywriting, you can make money selling your own stuff. The thing I always tell people is, if you get really good at copywriting, you will never hurt for money ever again. There's always going to be a way to monetize that skill. All right, third way to make money with your words on the internet this year, and this is kind of a new one. I've only done one video about this, but it might represent the biggest opportunity of all the ones I'm talking about right now, and that is content repurposing. So if you don't think your words are very good, if you don't think you're a great writer, then take the words someone has already created and use those words to build more content. So a great example of this could be a YouTube video. So let's say someone's a YouTuber and they want to start branching out. They want to get into social media, maybe Instagram, Instagram, they want to build a blog. So what you can do is you can take that video and you transcribe it, and then you massage it a little bit and you turn it into a blog post. And then you pull out some of the best snippets of it and you turn it into a series of tweets. And if you have some video editing skills, maybe you take that video and you turn it into Reels for Instagram or Shorts for YouTube. So you're essentially taking one piece of content and you're repurposing it into a bunch of other pieces of content. So again, this isn't necessarily writing perhaps, but you have to write in order to do it. If you're gonna take someone's video and then turn it into a blog post, you're gonna have to be a good enough writer to be able to edit it and make it seem like it was a dedicated blog post. You're not just straight up transcribing the video and putting it in a blog post and calling it good. You're gonna have to, massage it a little bit and make it feel like its own unique piece of content. But because so many people are thirsty for content and so many people are trying to be on all of these different platforms, but they don't have time to create unique content for all of these platforms, there are so many people out there right now that will pay for this service. If you say, hey, you just keep making your YouTube videos and all of a sudden you're gonna have a bunch of tweets, a bunch of Reels, a bunch of Shorts, a bunch of blog posts for doing no extra work and I'll handle everything, that is a huge value proposition. So I talk more about this. We've got a video. It's called A Genius Way to Make Money Right Now that no one's talking about. I'll link to that below. Go check it out if you are interested in this type of work. But I think this is one of the biggest opportunities for new freelancers or new people that are getting going this year. All right, 4, self-publishing. Have you always wanted to write a book, but you didn't know where to start? You didn't know how to get an agent. You didn't know how to pitch your book proposal. You didn't know how to deal with the whole publishing industry, which is very archaic and very ancient and very tough to break into and yeah. Guess what? Now you probably know this. You don't have to do that anymore. Anyone can self-publish. You can write a book, you can format it, you can throw it up on Amazon, and you can make money from it. You set the price, you tell how much people pay, Amazon will take a small cut, away you go. And there are a ton of people out there that are making a full-time living just by self-publishing their books. So if you are an expert in a particular topic, or even if you know a fair amount of a particular topic, and you are a relative expert, you are an expert relative to all of the people that might be reading your book, there's a great opportunity for self-publishing. Or let's say you're really creative and you want to write a fiction novel or a series of small fiction novels. Self-publishing is going to be the easiest way to get those out there and get them in front of people and potentially make money for yourself along the way. But here's the thing, there's also a lot of potential. If you're kind of savvy, if you're kind of smart, if you're a pretty good copywriter, you can take that book and you can parlay that into another business. So let's say you're really good at a specific topic. You write a book covering kind of the overview of that topic and you provide a bunch of bonuses. Maybe it's a series of extra content, some extra lessons, some live calls, whatever it might be. You have an email opt-in at the end of the book. You say, hey, go to this link. This is just for people that purchase my book. Get on my email list. I'm going to give you a bunch of bonuses. Well, now you got those people on your email list and you can offer them all sorts of things. You can offer them your own products. You can offer them your freelance services. You can offer them info products. You can offer them affiliate products. You have all these ways that you can now monetize those people that already paid you for your book. So self-publishing, it can be a difficult way. Like if you're thinking about, I want to be a published author, self-publishing may not be the best way to start out. Because all those publishing houses, they're going to look at your numbers, and if they're not very good, they're gonna be like, nope, not doing it, not interested. And so you kind of have like one shot to impress a traditional publisher. But if you don't care about traditional publishing and you're like, I want to do everything on my own, I want to get started right now, I don't want to deal with all that BS, self-publishing can be a great way to start to build your online empire, to share your thoughts with the world, and to get your book out there and start making a little bit of money in the process. All right, finally, the 5th way to make money with your writing on the internet this year is my personal favorite because it's what I've been doing for over a decade, and that is blogging. And you can call this by all sorts of different names. You can call it building an authority site, you can call it building a blog, you can call it building a niche site, you can call it affiliate marketing, whatever it is, establishing yourself as an expert in a specific industry, in a specific niche can open up so many doors for you. So I started Location Rebel way back in 2009. Through that, we've gotten over 5,000 people in our community. I've helped thousands of people get started building businesses online. I've gotten to take cool trips. I've gotten to meet interesting people, and I've made a full-time sustainable income for myself in the process. With Breaking 80, it's been even more remarkable. I've gotten to play all sorts of golf courses I never would have played otherwise. I've gotten to take dozens of media trips and gotten to take free trips and travel all over the world to play cool places. I've gotten free products and I've gotten to review them, which I then in turn make affiliate revenue off of and support myself that way. So by doing it, it's not a blog. It's not like you got your little like blogger account and you're just like, today I ate a turkey sandwich. It's evolved from that. But the great news about blogging is you can do it on your terms. You can make it whatever you want. If you feel like writing about your turkey sandwich, you can write about your turkey sandwich. If you want to write about a product review that you love, you can write about that product, and you have the potential to monetize that, whether it's through affiliate links, your own products, display ads, sponsorships. There's all sorts of ways to make money from it. Granted, it's more difficult than freelance writing. It's easier to go get someone to pay you to write freelance content than it is to make that same amount of money from your blog in the beginning. But you look at it maybe 2 years down the road, once that blog builds some momentum, once you've established yourself, once you've kind of figured out what you are doing, that blog has literally unlimited potential to make you a very, very good income. So regardless of what type of writing you are interested in, there are all sorts of ways. There's plenty of other ways I left out, but these are my 5 favorite ways to make money this year, writing with your words. There is probably one for you. So it could be freelance content writing. It could be copywriting. It could be content repurposing. It could be self-publishing. It could be starting a niche site, starting a blog, whatever it is. Any of those, if you go all in on them, there are going to be opportunities. They have the potential to change your life. If any of these opportunities are interesting to you, I recommend you check out Location Rebel Academy. This is our course. This is our community. It's been around for over 12 years. We have over 5,000 people in it. This is my life's work. This is what I've invested my entire life into creating to help you build this type of business, to help you make money on the internet with your words. And coming up here in just a couple days is our annual New Year's sale. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of bonuses. We're gonna have a whole bunch of cool stuff happening I will tell you about in our next video. But until then, think about which of these types of writing is going to be the best fit for you. Drop a comment, let me know what type of writing business are you gonna create this year. I would love to hear from you. I would love to know so I can start tailoring some of my content to help you out. So there you go. I am the founder of this thing here at Location Rebel, Sean Ogle. And once again, that is where we teach you how to make money on the internet with your words. If you got some value out of this, consider subscribing, consider giving us a thumbs up, and make sure you go over to locationrebel.com/hi, get our free 6-day course. It's gonna walk you through all the basics for getting started with the freelance content writing business. And I really hope you have an excellent day and that 2023 is kicking off in a big way. Have a great day. See ya.